What a lovely time with Pat Flynn here in San Diego. It's time to say goodbye to San Diego. I'm back to LA. Whoa, what kind of beautiful place did I just turn up at? This is so cool. Behind me, that is Strands Beach, and I'm on my way back to Los Angeles. But first of all, you can't come to Southern California and not visit the beach. Surf's up. It's Dana Point up there behind me. I'm gonna hang around for a bit, and I thought it would be a really good place to test some new kit that Rode were cool enough to send to me. Let's try it out. All right, so presently I'm filming on the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. It's what I've been using to vlog throughout the whole of Vlogtober, and as long as I'm close to it and I'm speaking directly to it, it sounds great. The moment I turn around though, you can't hear me. And when I walk away, the audio goes less. So you see, you need to be really close, vlog style. I've got some other kit I'm going to show you that's really awesome if you want to move around lots. If you want the freedom to move around and still vlog, well, then the Rode Wireless Go is for you. I'm wearing one now, and as you can see, I can move away from the camera and it's picked up wirelessly. I'm wearing the transmitter, there's a receiver on top of the camera, and you can hear me crystal clear while I enjoy the views of this Southern California beach. Absolutely wonderful. I can walk all the way back towards the sea, and you should still be able to hear me crystal clear. So I really like it. Obviously, in some situations, it could look a bit bulky on the chest. There is a solution for that, and I'll show you what it is. And here we are in a completely different environment to test the Rode Wireless Go. So it's great, it's fantastic, it's portable, it has no wires, it's great for action shots and bits like that. But sometimes you need something a little more discreet, like the Rode Lavalier Go. This is super discreet, comes in a very small package that I can open up here, have a look inside, and you will find there's a nice little pouch with inside, with a warning label attached. It's a professional broadcast quality lavalier mic. Now, usually you would attach this into your camera using this little mini jack, but the Rode Wireless Go has a mini jack input, so I can clip this onto me and pop this in and give it a test. Let's have a look in the rest of the package, and there we go. There is a little clip inside some lovely plastic there holding it in place. Now, just for sake of ease and quickness for you, I am going to hold this underneath my mouth and plug this into the Rode Wireless Go, and we'll see how it sounds. So a little bit of fiddling about. So now you should be hearing audio coming through the Rode Lavalier Go. Sounds rather good, doesn't it? And to be super discreet, you can slip the Rode Wireless Go transmitter pack into your pocket. Right, I'm climbing back up the stairs to get to the top of Dana Point again. After enjoying that beach, I'm wearing the Rode Wireless Go. Looks pretty good. And I can put the camera in any direction and still narrate, seeing as I'm wearing a wireless microphone that's clipped to my chest and transmitting to you. It doesn't matter if I don't have a shotgun pointing in my exact direction. I can still talk and show you the beach that I've just come from. Now, if you're worried about any kind of wind noise disrupting your beautiful outside recording, well, don't worry about that. The Rode Wireless Go comes with a windshield, actually two included, that just clip nicely on the top. I am at Johnnie's Pastrami in Culver City in Los Angeles, and sitting here, I'm about to eat dinner with, you might recognize his face if you use Adobe Audition Learn, Mark Edward Lewis. What's going on?
Hey, welcome to LA.
So tell us a little bit more about what you do.
Well, generally I do as little as possible, but when pressed, I am the main presenter for Cinema Sound. If you've ever been to www.cinemasound.com, it's sort of the hub for lots and lots of education for independent media creatives, whether it's podcasters or filmmakers or YouTubers or whatever. We've got an 85-hour education that takes you from, I'm a photographer, I don't know anything about sound, all the way to delivering in 5.1 and better in Adobe Audition at a Hollywood level. So, and then we've got lots of videos and all kinds of other stuff, and really hilarious t-shirts.
And are you eating keto?
I don't even, that's what he goes, oh, you're having a keto burger. I'm like, no, I just don't want a bun. Whatever that is, I don't know.
There you go, that's the end of another great day in California with beautiful colors happening just after sunset here on Santa Monica Pier. It's been an awesome day, so cool. The weather is just perfect here. This is Vlogtober, day 22.